Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, according to IDC, PC shipments continue to fall, but it might be the end of the negative trend, as they're saying. So for this year, if things continue the way they are, there's a predicted decline to about 250 million units. That's still a high number, by the way. Compared to pre-pandemic, it's still higher than 2018. So that is kind of interesting. We've got a steep decline, but we got a steep decline after a few years of pandemic where really PC sales were really, really amazing. And people, don't need PCs every year. It's not something that you have to buy every year. And, PCs last longer today than they used to. We used to have in the 90s, for example, I still remember, usually after 2 years, your PC was obsolete. You needed to move on. Today, people, keep their PCs for 5 years and 7 years. And depending on what you're running, some people are running Windows 10 on 10-year-old machines. But the good news is that the end is near for the drop. And that, according to IDC, the 2024 will see a 3.7% growth. Now, there might be a slight decline in the beginning of the year, but they say that all the average over 1 year will actually stand out at 261.4 million shipments during that year. So we'll be lower than 2019, but still better than 2018. And still showing that, the PC sales are there. I mean, it's not, 260 million PCs is a lot of machines. So there is a future for the PC market, definitely. So we'll see in 2024, but this year I think it's the year of the correction. We got to adapt yourself to the fact that we have moved on to a post-pandemic era where people are going back to work and don't need powerful PCs at home anymore. So it's kind of normal that things are readjusting themselves. This was also going to be interesting to see the results of how many PCs. Of course, all of these PCs. If we look at 260 million PCs shipped next year, they're all going to be on Windows 11. What will that bring in market share for Windows 11 is going to be interesting for sure. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.